In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a printable banner for any occasion using Microsoft Word. Creating your own banner is a simple and creative way to prepare decorations for events such as birthdays, celebrations, school activities, or special announcements. Instead of purchasing ready-made banners, you can easily design one yourself using the tools already available in Microsoft Word. This method allows you to customize the message, adjust the size of the letters, and print each page so they can be combined into a complete banner. To begin, open Microsoft Word and start with a blank document. Once the document is open, it's a good idea to adjust the page layout so your letters will print large and clear. Go to the Layout tab on the ribbon and set the page orientation to Landscape. This gives you more horizontal space, which works better for large banner letters. Next, click on the Insert tab at the top of the window. From there, choose Word Art. Word Art allows you to create decorative text with larger sizes and different styles, which makes it perfect for banner lettering. When the Word Art gallery appears, select a style that you like. Don't worry too much about the color or effects at this point, since you can always change them later. After selecting a style, a text box will appear on the page. Type the letter or word that you want for the first page of your banner. For example, if you are creating a banner that spells out a message, each page can contain a single large letter. Once the text appears, highlight it and increase the font size until the letter fills most of the page. You can also drag the corners of the word art box to make the letter even larger and more visible. If you want to customize the appearance, make sure the word art text is selected so the formatting tools appear on the ribbon. From there, you can adjust the text color, add outlines, apply shadows, or choose different styles to make the letters stand out more clearly when printed. After completing the first letter or word, create additional pages for the rest of your message. The easiest way to do this is to insert a new blank page and repeat the same process for each letter or word needed for your banner. Continue until your full message is complete. Once all pages are prepared, review your banner to make sure each page is centered and clearly visible. Then print the pages on your printer. After printing, you can cut the pages if needed and arrange them in order. Finally, tape or attach the pages together along a wall, string, or board to form the finished banner. By following this simple approach, you can quickly design a personalized banner for any occasion using Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.